Looking to maximize your email marketing efforts? Try these great ideas. There are many marketing techniques that companies can use to either reach their customer base or bring new potential customers in their base. Social media marketing, affiliate marketing, and internet marketing are just a few of them. An interesting marketing technique to note is email marketing, which you will find more about in this video. If you buy a list of emails to send to, check and make sure it is up to date. Sometimes lists for sale might match your target demographics but be woefully out of date. The number of addresses now defunct can be as high as 25% of the overall list. Send your opt-ins a link that they must click on to confirm their subscription to your email list. This way, you ensure that it is something that they want to do, and it will protect you from getting complaints about spam. Let your opt-ins know in your pitch that they will need to click on a link. Strategically plan when your emails will go out. People do not like getting emails at inconvenient times, especially if it's something that they have to act on quickly. Be considerate by making your offers convenient and easy for people to take advantage of, and you will have more sales than you otherwise would. Avoid using exclamation marks as crutches in your emails. If you want to express a sense of urgency or importance, use the structure of your sentence and the words you choose to make that impact. Overusing this form of punctuation can turn potential customers off and make your message seem insincere. Find out who your competitors are and sign up to their emails. You will be able to see what content they are sending to their subscribers and figure out what aspects to use and which to stay away from. Just be sure not to steal their content, as this could constitute plagiarism. Put real consideration into where you place links in your marketing newsletters. For example, you don't want to send readers away from your email before you give them their call to action. You also don't want to put your priority links at the end of an email where they may be overlooked. As you know, there is a wide variety of marketing techniques that companies use to interact with current and potential customers. Among these are social media marketing, internet marketing, and of course, email marketing. After watching the information presented in this video, you should now know more about email marketing and how to use it. Now that you got a clear knowledge about email marketing, are you ready to start? Please don't start without my full free training on email marketing. I will offer you a full $97 training for free just to make sure you succeed. Say thank you by subscribing to my channel and by liking this video. Click the link in the description to access my free full training on email marketing.